Hey everybody, welcome to my another very viral video. Today I'm going to show you how you know your laptop model code. So if you know the all information about your laptop, so for that we will go on first start button, and then we will type here system information. So you can see here system information. Just click it, and then you can see the all details of your laptop. So this model is HP Mini 210,000. So this my model is Mini 210 model, and this is system type is x86 this PC, and you can see the all information about this laptop. So in this way you can know your laptop information. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and like, comment and support me. Thank you very much.